Hi everyone, my name is Blake Bejarano, and today I'm going to show you how to view your most recent monthly statement in the CoCalc platform. You can see I'm at CoCalc.com. I'm going to head over to my projects. Now we can navigate to the upper right hand corner and click on Account. And from here we can locate statements under the menu items on the left hand side. And then you can view your most recent monthly statement, get an expanded version of that, and see the total charges, the number of charges that you've made, and then also the number of times that you've credited your account, and then the balance at your cutoff date. If you'd like to adjust your cutoff date, you can click on Closing Date, and you can click Reset Date, and that will set the closing date to today. And you also have the ability to download your monthly statement or to send a copy to your email address, the email address that's associated with your CoCalc account. And here you can see the most recent 10 purchases. In fact, you can even load more. And then you can also get a more fine-grained view into the individual purchases themselves. So you can see lots of charges for OpenAI's GPT-4o from my side. And under this, here's a plot of your balance over time. And then additional monthly statements, expanded views of those. And then also you can elect to receive emailed daily statements and get a more fine-grained view that way too. So this is just a quick tip and trick on using the CoCalc UI. Please like, subscribe, and follow for more, and I will see you next time. Thanks again.